Welcome back to another Millennial in Debt video. Is this thing on? I know it's been a while. I'm very, very sorry, but here I am back at it again. If you are new here, hit that subscription button below and turn on the notification bell so you get every single time I upload a video. I missed that introduction so much. I missed y'all. I really did. Right? And I had to record a video just now twice because I messed up the audio only to realize I messed it up again. So Alright, so this video is going to be for my people who have either no credit, bad credit, or average struggling credit that really want to get a credit card to help, improve their credit score. This video is for you. Alright, so I'm going to go over 5 cards, go over, their interest rates, all the fun technical stuff that we like to know so that you can get on the road to improving your credit score and using credit responsibly. I believe in you, future millionaire. I really do. All right, let's go right into it. All right, first up, we have the Pedal Cashback Visa card. This card is for people who have good credit, no credit, bad credit, because no credit history is required. There is no annual fee. There are no foreign transaction fees. The APR varies from 12.99 to 26.99% based off of credit worthiness. What I really like about this is they give you 1.5% cash back after 12 months of payments. Oh, sorry. There we go. Rewind that. 1% cash back on all your purchases, and then it increases to 1.5% cash back after you've made 12 months of on-time payments. So you get a little bonus reward, for paying your bills on time. I like that. The next card I'm going to be talking about, I have spoken about before, is the Discover It secured card. This is one of my favorite secured cards because they really they're setting you up in a good way to be in a good space with credit. So they offer you 2% cash back up to $1,000. I believe this card is also the card that gives you the match of your cash back up to $1,000 at the end of the year. Correct. I was correct. Right? So this card will give you the match. So if you spend $1,000 or if you get $1,000 cash back, Discover will match that and give you $1,000 cash back in December. So essentially you've earned $2,000 cash back. I like that reward. What I also really like about this card is after 8 months of really good, credit use, they will move you from the secured card to a regular credit card and return your deposit. So this is a really good card for people who are building credit, but it's also a really good card for people who are rebuilding their credit, right? So if you've taken a couple of hits on your credit score, this is the card for you because they will transition you after 8 months into having a regular credit card, and I think that's pretty dope. Next up, we have the Capital One Secured MasterCard. So this card doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles. There's no cash back. There's no rewards. It has a 26.99% APR, which is a little high as a start. Like, damn, you can't even start me off at 12. But why I like this card and why I'm putting this card on the list is because this card has a very, very, very low deposit, right? So secured cards require you to put a deposit down because when you swipe, you're essentially using your deposit money. And when you pay it back, you're essentially just putting back into your deposit. Now, many cards have a minimal deposit of like $500, $1,000, things like that. Whereas this card starts you off with 3 very low options of $49, $79, and $100 deposit. Sorry, $49, $99, and $200. So if you really do not have a lot of money, spare money to put as a deposit, you can start off with $50, and it's a really good way to just start building, really good credit practice. So you do a little swipe at the market, and then you pay it back, and that's really going to help to rebuild your credit. The fourth card is a very interesting card. It's going to be really good for my international folks. Is the Deserve Digital card. Deserve Digital First card. My bad. This one starts off at 14% APR and goes up to 26.99. There are no foreign transaction fees, no annual fees, and what I like about this is there's no credit check. They're not going to be doing any hard inquiries, no credit history needed at all. So if you've never had a credit card, this is the card for you because they also require $0 in deposit, right? So this is a really great starter card. It's also a really good card if you kind of, mess up your credit and are trying to rebuild. They do not check your credit score. So shout out to them. I like that. Giving everyone an opportunity to have a credit card. Very good. The last card is the OpenSky Secured Visa card. Now, This card does have an annual fee of $35, but here's why it's on the list. They also do no credit checks, and they report your credit, usage to all three bureaus. So what that does is, because they're reporting to all three bureaus, you're able to build your credit a lot faster than credit card companies that only report to one. The other really good thing is that they have a really low deposit as well, very similar to the Capital One. Not as low as the Capital One, but for this particular card, you can start off with a deposit as low as $200 and, start swiping and using your credit responsibly in order to build your credit score. And there you have it. Nice, simple, sweet, short, direct 5 cards that you can use to get that credit score up. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.